We'll guide you through how to make a file folder on an Android. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. This is really convenient for organizing files and other folders because you can then go and put them into different folders depending upon what they're for. Go and swipe up on your phone screen like so, and you want to start swiping across here, and you want to go and find the Files app. Probably the quickest way is to press search, and you can go and type in files at the top like so. And this is it here. So we can go and tap on it. Now what you need to do is go to where you want to go and do this. So I'm going to come into my documents here. I can go and see the files here. I could press the folders in the top right to go and show them. Now I want to go and create this. So what you need to do is go and select the file or folder you want to do this with. With it then selected, you can go and press move in the bottom left. And I want to go and put this in documents. So I'm going to go and press documents at the top. And we can then go and press the plus in the top right. And I can go and name it. So I can go and name it folder 1. Of course, you can go and customize it as well. Then you can go and move it into it if you want to, or just you don't actually have to in theory, but I will. And now I'll go and press the folder icon. And that is the folder we've just made. That's it.